Welcome back to our new video. So in this video we're gonna just speak about an opportunity for young generation. This is a very beautiful opportunity for you if you don't have the any English language documents, if you are even a student in your degree. So it's available and it's easy to apply, and the chance is very high for you because so much students are don't know about this opportunity. So this is the application form. So before to start our application form, we are gonna just speak about who are eligible for this opportunity, and we will speak just a little about this opportunity. Okay, so I just prepared a few things about this opportunity. This opportunity is from Sustainable Development Solution Network, or its shortcut is also SDSN. If you search it in Google, you will find it well. Okay, so a global initiative for the United Nations. It's from United Nations. So let's speak about it. Local Pathway Fellowship 2026 short summary. Local Pathway brief. It's just abbreviation. Okay, who can apply for this opportunity? If your age is between 18 and 13, and the student or the young professional interested in these sustainable cities, people with experience or interest in urban issue, community work, or urban teaching. Okay, don't worry about this thing. If you are a student in any engineering, technology, or any other part, you are eligible for this opportunity. I believe your age is between 18 and 30, so there is no doubt. Okay, what are the main requirements for this opportunity? Strong interest in SDG 11. What is SDG? Sustainable cities and communities. You should have interest in this field. At least 1 year of academic professional experience. It means if you are a student, if you are a student in the second class of your degree, you are eligible for this one. Okay, good English communicate skills. They don't require for any TOEFL, IELTS, or these certificates. Just if you know the English, that's enough. Maybe they will take an interview after applying. Ability to commit 4 to 6 hour per week for 10 months. So as you know, this opportunity is just for 10 months. You should have 4 to 6 hour per week. Reliable internet connection. You should have an internet. What fellows do? Learn about global urban, create a local project for their city, join global network, 650 fellows, attends webinar training and mentorship session. Duration and nature. So this program is gonna be from the March until December of the next year, 2026, and this is fully remote. Just it's online and it's voluntary. They are not gonna pay for it. Why it's valuable? You may think this is remotely, they don't pay for me, so why should I apply for this opportunity? Now I can tell you that globally visitable as a young urban leader, skill development in sustainability and leadership, networking with United Nations partner and youth from the 60 countries. Okay, now let's apply for this opportunity. To apply for this opportunity, just copy the link below and go to your browser, paste it. This page will come. If you want to watch the video, you can click on play, and here are two opportunities: local pathway fellow and global school. Okay, for now you just should apply for this one, local pathway fellow. Click apply. Here is all the details. I don't want to focus on these details for now because just I made a revision of these details for you before. If you want to read, you can read it carefully. After that, come apply now. If you don't want to apply, you can just use my Indeed resume or apply using LinkedIn if you have LinkedIn account. Okay, I'm not focusing on these two parts. You can also use this one, but I want to go apply. Okay, this is the main part. In this part, you just have some things to fill. In this part, you should upload your CV or resume. Click on this part, and you will upload your CV file. Write your full name in this part. Write your email address, your phone number. If you wanna get the news about these opportunities, you can click this button. By clicking this button, you will get a message by your phone number. Okay, you should write again your full number, your full name. Use right here your date of birth, but remember the date of birth should in this formatter. In this part, it be like day, month, and year. Okay, in this part, select your generation, male, female, other. Citizenship, write your country. Citizenship mean the country which you have its passport. Current country of residence, where do you live now, and what's your city name that you are living now there. Okay, which where is the country located? If you are living in any African, you can select Africa. You are living in Asia, you can click on Asia. It depends on your country. If you don't know, you just write and copy this one and paste in Google the countries in this part. For example, countries. I'm writing here. You will see the countries list, and you can just find your country here. Okay, email address, right here your email address. If you have any LinkedIn, you can write it. It's optional thing. Okay, the same thing. If you have any additional media link or something, you can paste here its link. Okay, what's your highest degree of education? If you graduated from high school equivalent, click here. If you are now a bachelor degrees student and didn't graduated from your bachelor degree, come here and click on some college coursework completed. If you graduated, just click bachelor degree, and if you graduated from master degree, click here master degree. If you graduated from doctora, click here doctora. The same thing, so you can find it here. Okay, so now here you can find your degrees area. If your degree is depending on engineering, click engineering, urban studies, architecture, social studies. Here you should select it. Okay, years of professional experience. Okay, if you are in the second class of your bachelor degree, you can just write here too. No, you should write one because you studied one class and now you're in the second class. Okay, if you have experience, if you done any job before, just collect all of them with your studies and write here the number. Okay, current organization. If you are a student, write here just your university name, and if you are working in any organization in Jew, just write here the company's name. Okay, what's your position? If you're a student, just write here like software engineering student, or it depends on your department. If you're a worker and how the job, right here your job's position. Okay, this part is optional, it's not mandatory. If you want, just click paste here your website, your organization company, or your university's website link. Okay, English language fluency. What's your English language level? If you have any TOEFL or any other documents, just you can write here TOEFL, or after that your certificates point. If you don't have this certificate, just write like advanced, mid, A level, B level, C level. Local language. What's your native language? The language that you are speaking with in your home, in your country. Just for example, you can write Chinese, you can write Urdu, you can write Pashto, Persian, Dari, any language. Okay, this is a very important point here. You should write a motivation letter. Just remember that the motivation letter is the main and the important part of this application. The student who are selecting to this opportunity is 99% selecting a list will be depend on their motivation letter. If you have a good motivation letter, so believe that you are going to accept and you should accept it. This is a motivation letter that say what motivates you to become a local pathway fellow. So why do you want to apply for this opportunity? Just remember that. And how do your background and experience make you strong candidate for this program? Okay, just see your experience or background. What did you done before this opportunity? You should just make a reason. The reason should be for maximum 300 words. It should not be more than 300 words. You can use like some ChatGPT or these things, but remember that your motivation letter should be natural. It should not be shown like a ChatGPT routine. Should just write something real, natural, to be accepted for this opportunity. Okay, what's your vision for your city in 2030? What's your plan for the 2022? What will you done in the next 5 years? Okay, and how do you see this fellowship helping you advance SDG 11 and countries to sustainable urban development in your community? Okay, if you participate in this opportunity, like what will how this opportunity affects, what will your knowledge affect on your society, on your this development countries, and what will be your plan in the next 5 years? Just remember it. Okay, are you currently or having any prior been a member of young organization, network, or student association? If you are a partner, a member of this organization, you can mention it and your position or what's your role in this part. And if yes, if you are there, what was the nature of your involvement? As I mentioned before, what is your role? What is the program or the organization role and society? Just write here these three important parts. Okay, let's come to another part. Which indicator of the sustainable development goal are you experiencing most relevant to? Take all that apply. Okay, it depends on you and your experience or on your knowledge. You just should read one line, and after one line just be read carefully. For example, in this part, by 2020 ensure access for all the adequate, safe and affordable housing and basic services and upgrade Islam. So if you are applying for this, if that apply to you, you can click it here. Just select these things here. After that, come here and click on yes button. You should click yes, and after that just come here and upload again your resume or CV. But remember, your CV must be in one page. It should not be more than one page. You can edit your CV but any AI software, or you can just edit with yourself and write the necessary things. Don't add any other unnecessary things to not take much place. How did you learn about this opportunity. Okay, you can just write about YouTube, you can write anything that you found this opportunity from. In the last 2 point, click here yes I'm agree and I have read the policy. After that, by submitting the application, your application will be submitted automatically and there is no need for you to pay for this opportunity. I believe if you apply for this opportunity in the next 10 months, you will see something different on your role and your experience. And after getting this opportunity, they are going to grant you a certificate or a diploma that will help you to apply for the next opportunity. So for now, thank you very much to see this video. If you like this video, you can like and share with your friends who are eligible for this scholarship. Okay, if you want to watch our other opportunities, and if you want to watch our software development or software engineering related courses, or if you are like the gem based videos, we are here and we are going to serve you. Thank you very much for now. See you.